Margaret looked down at her left knee. It was swollen, red, and throbbing like a toothache. She couldn't even slide her foot into her house slipper. Her doctor suggested draining the fluid with a long needle, a terrifying thought for an 82-year-old woman. Desperate to avoid the needle, she went to the grocery store and bought a $2 head of cabbage. She wrapped her leg that night, and what she saw in the morning made her cry tears of joy. This isn't magic. It is biochemistry. Here are the 7 reasons why this green leaf saved Margaret's knee, and why hospitals in Europe are secretly using it too. Number 1. Cabbage is packed with organic sulfur, specifically a compound called glucosinolate. When you place the leaf directly on the skin, it acts almost like a biological sponge. It creates a transdermal effect, pulling stagnant fluids out of the joint tissues and reducing the pressure. Number 2. It shuts down the pain signal. Cabbage contains glutamine and anthocyanins. These are natural QX2 inhibitors. They work on the same biological pathways as ibuprofen or Celebrex, blocking the enzymes that tell your brain, "This hurts," but without destroying your stomach lining. Number 3. The thermal shock. When you keep the cabbage in the fridge, the thick leaves hold the cold temperature longer than a gel pack. This constricts the dilated blood vessels instantly, forcing the inflammation to retreat back into the bloodstream. Number 4. You must break the veins. Margaret didn't just slap a leaf on her leg. She used a rolling pin to crush the cabbage ribs. This releases the active enzymes from the plant cells. If you don't hear the crunch, the medicine is trapped inside the fiber and won't work on your skin. Number 5. Red versus green. While Margaret used green cabbage, red cabbage has double the antioxidants. However, be careful. Red cabbage can stain your skin and bed sheets purple, so most seniors stick to the Savoy or green varieties for less mess. Number 6. It activates the lymph. Your knee is swollen because of lymphatic stasis. The fluid is stuck. The chemical composition of the cabbage leaf stimulates the lymphatic capillaries, encouraging the body to drain that old fluid away naturally. Number 7. You can sleep with it. Unlike a heating pad, which is a fire hazard, or an ice pack that causes frostbite if left too long, the cabbage leaf warms to your body temperature slowly. It creates a gentle, sustained healing environment all night long. Do you suffer from swollen knees or ankles? Let me know in the comments if the weather makes it worse. But before I give you Margaret's exact wrapping recipe, a serious warning. If you have a sulfa allergy, do a patch test on your arm first. If your skin gets red or itchy, do not use this method. Also, never use this on an open wound or a cut. Here is exactly how Margaret fixed her knee. Step 1. Buy a fresh organic green cabbage. Step 2. Peel off the outer dirty leaves and discard them. Step 3. Peel 3 large clean leaves. Step 4. Use a rolling pin or a glass bottle to roll over the leaves hard. You want to bruise them until they look slightly wet. Step 5. Wrap the leaves around your painful knee like a bandage. Cover them with plastic wrap or cling film to hold the moisture in. Finally, wrap a warm towel or bandage over the plastic. Leave it on for at least 1 hour. When you take it off, the cabbage will be warm and wilted because it gave all its life force to your joint.